Hello everyone, I am Dr. Wise, and the reason why I'm here today is all because of the interview that I said earlier that posters were roaming about and stuffs. So to go straight to the point, we are going to discuss something about the essence of eating an apple. The essence of eating an apple. Apples are good source that you should be taking, good food that you should be taking every day. One may ask, what is the function of an apple? I would say apples are a good source of nutrients, including fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, which help support healthy digestions, brain health, and weight management. So, we'll go straight to the point to discuss some benefits of eating an apple or why you should take an apple daily. One, apples support your immune system. So, with this, one may ask, so eating an apple and all this kind of stuff, some people make a lot of mistakes. And the mistakes are they normally, maybe when they are about to eat an apple, they will just clear away the skin of the apple and they will take what is inside, the sweet part and stuff. That's a big mistake. You have to attach it but with the skin. You have to eat the skin too, because apple skins contain quercetin or quercetin. That is a type of plant pigments flavonoid. Yes, plant pigment flavonoid that helps in boosting your immune system. So, the second benefit or reason why you should take an apple is that apple lower chance of getting or developing cancer, diabetes, and heart diseases. So, those people who are experiencing cancer, diabetes, and heart diseases, you will be free. So I will advise you to take an apple. This is your huge remedy that I'm giving to you. The third benefit of eating an apple is that apple may help you lose weight while improving your guts and brain health. So, in terms of maybe when you experience some pains and stuffs in your brain, there are people like who normally experience some pains and stuffs. When you start eating apple, this is a miracle. This is a normal miracle remedy that I'm giving to you. When you start taking an apple every day, those kind of things will stop. So, the four benefits of taking in an apple is that apple contain chemicals which are used as medicine. So my advice here is that some of the sicknesses that we experience, most of them is not all about medicine, taking drugs and all those kind of stuff. Nah, apple too is a source of medicine for you. So in your everyday life, especially what I've mentioned earlier, the stomach constipations and all those kind of stuffs, diabetes and stuffs, this is a simple thing. Eating an apple will cure it. So this one can even prevent you from taking some of the drugs and stuffs. I don't mean you shouldn't take the drugs prescribed by your doctor. You can take the drugs prescribed by your doctor, but you can be eating apple along. That will help you clear away your sickness. Okay, the fifth point is apple contain pectin, which helps in treating diarrhea and constipation. Wow! So as I said earlier, you see, apple contains pectin, which helps in treating diarrhea and constipation. So if you are experiencing constipation, it's not always that you be taking those drugs and all those kind of stuffs. I don't mean drugs are not good, but prescribed ones are very, very good. But you should take fruits like apple. That will help you, my brother, my sister, my mother, my father. That will help you to taking it daily helps prevent that constipation, that diarrhea that you are suffering from. This is a simple thing that you have to go by. So the 6 points that I will discuss with you is that this one is mainly for the boys, the men. One thing about apple for you men is that apple helps treat erectile dysfunction. So when you experience any erectile problems and all those kind of stuffs, apples is good for you. Apples are good for you, so it will help you in the treatment of erectile dysfunction. That is a better treatment for your erection. Means you are good. Okay, the last benefit that I will discuss with you for us to continue this kind of interview is that apples reduces the risk of allergies. So when you are someone who normally experiences then kind of allergetical maybe activation and all those kind of stuff, the allergies people, I am allergic to this, I am allergic to this and all this kind of stuff. Nah, apple is there for you. Taking an apple prevents the risk of allergies, heart attack. So when you are having an old woman there or an old man or someone, a friend who normally experience heart attack, I will advise you to be giving that friend or that old man, that old woman an apple every day. It will help that person to reduce the risk of that heart attack, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and prostate, and even lung cancer. Okay, one may ask a question that is it good for me to take in an apple on an empty stomach or in the night? I would say yes, because apples are high in fiber, especially when taking it with the skin. They are also high in vitamin C, making them a perfect snack for breakfast and bedtime snack. Yes, now that you have seen, so it's good for you to be taking an apple every day. Okay, another question that maybe so bother some people's mind and all this kind of stuff that they will ask is that maybe how many apples should I Dr. Wise, how many apples should I take in a day and all this kind of stuff. My advice to you is that you have to take an apple, like you have to take 1 to 2 apples in a day. I would say not more than 3 in a day is okay for you. You can take it maybe in the morning and then in the evening, and then some people may also take it in the afternoon. That's quite like that's somehow fine, but shouldn't take it more than 3 in a day. Thank you. So this is Dr. Wise. This is where the interview will end, because this is all that I have for now. If you have any kind of question bothering your mind, you can comment under them and I will surely help you answer all your questions, clear up all those questions bothering up your mind. Thank you. This is George Wise TV, and then this is Dr. Wise. I'm here to help you in the treatment of your diseases. Some people may say the remedy doctor. Thank you. To my God, it's yes, my fault.